Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a couple of unboxings from a couple Etsy stores. I have been looking for some new diamond painting trays, so I seen these two companies on Etsy and I thought I'd try them out. So let's go ahead, you know what, let's go ahead and do this one because I have my box cutter in my hand. But as you can see, it's in a cute pink box, got a cute sticker, nothing's on the front except for my shipping info. And let me see if I can figure out how to open this. And I hope everybody's having a great day. Weather here's not been too bad today, so that's a good thing. Alright, should have just ripped off the label that has my info in it. Okay, so I'm going to take this because I'm sure that is my shipping info, and it is. Alright, so this company is called CatProofDiamondTrays. I don't know if anyone has heard of this company before. Like I said, I was just kind of going through Etsy and was searching diamond painting trays, and I come across this company, which I had not heard of before. So, what I ordered were a large tray with a lid, and then a small tray with the lid. Okay, and let's see, what is this? This is a thank you card. Oh, and it's got a sticker of a cat on a scratching post. And although I don't have a cat, I'm not against cats, but that is super cute. I love that. And it just says thank you for your support. That's a very nice touch. Alright, so I'm going to move the box out of the way. And she has got this wrapped very nicely. Okay, so this is the big tray, and it has a lid. And the lid is kind of rubbery feeling. And look, that's a nice size tray, and look, it's got a cat paw on it. But there's the pour spout. And let's see, let's try this. So they have a lot of trays to choose from. Wow, y'all, it didn't even take that much for me to line them suckers up. Look at that. Look at that. Those lined up so nice. Alright, let me see if I can get them back in here without spilling them. Ooh, y'all. This is nice. I like this. So, the edges feel good, and it comes down to just right here to where you've got this area here to where your diamonds can slide over. The sides are pretty high, and she makes these herself, and she has the lids, and they just fit right on there so that you can leave your drills in here, and like the name of her business is called, it's cat proof. So if these get knocked off the desk, I guess, by your cat, because you know how cats like to knock stuff off your desk, then they won't spill. So that's the big one. Here's the small one. Let's see. And again, the sides are super tall. I like that because I'm not a hard shaker, but it seems like if if I don't have a tray that's got tall sides, I just like knock everything out. But look at how well those lined up in there. And again, the lines go to right here, and then you've got this whole area. But that just lined up nicely. I like this. Wow. And again, the lid just goes right on this tray. So for the large tray, y'all, I only gave $10 for this. $7 for this one. Now, I think that she has different sizes for different, prices and stuff. But like I said, this one was $7 and it's blue. This one's a large with the tray, or with the lid, and it was $10. And these are all different colors. She had different colors to choose from. She has different sizes. And I think she may even have different shapes. But don't quote me. I don't remember. But yeah, $10 for this one. $7 for this one. And again, the name of this shop was called CatProofDiamondTrays. And I will definitely leave a link to her shop in my description box. Okay, so I'm going to set this one to the side. And we're going to look at this other one. Alright, so the name of this company was Crafty Creations by Ellie on Etsy. Okay. Just rip that bag completely apart, didn't I? Alright, and I got 3 trays from her. Okay. And I got a sucker. And then I got her card. And that is a pretty card. It's got all of her media, all of her stuff on there. It says thank you for your order. But that's got her info on there, which I will put in my description box. Alright, and let's see. Now, Creations by Ellie, well, it says Creations by EllieP is the name, or Crafty Creations by Ellie. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I got 3 trays, and we are just going to open these up because they are different prices. She had a lot of different trays, a lot of different colors, a lot of different things. Okay, so this one is, I think, this one is the turquoise with the lid and a stopper. And this one was $8. And then there's the stopper. And I guess you get 2. You get an extra one. That one looks like a diamond. And then that one's a heart. Those are cute. But it looks like the tray lid, it just slides on there. Yep. Just slides out. And that is her logo, I guess. But yeah, this is really nice. Let's see how well these, I probably should get another color. And that just slipped right in there. Ooh. And I am knocking all of these out. Not the tray's fault, my fault. I was getting a little over exaggerated there. But yeah, these are lining up pretty good too. And you should always, if I had one, I would do it. But you should always take and wipe your trays down with a, oh, what is it called? My mind went blank, y'all. A dryer sheet. Good Lord, I don't know what's wrong with me today. But the ridges are all good. The sides are nice and tall. So, you know what? I am going to get a different color of drill, because I am not 100% sure that y'all can see. And those just went right in there. Let me see if I got another color up here. Yeah, we'll use that one. Alright, so stopper just goes right in there. Then there's an extra. And then the lid. Alright. Now this one, let's see. This is the mini diamond tray. This is the shifting blue to purple, and this one was $12. But and it comes with 2 different stoppers, and the tray lid just slides right in there. But this is a nice one if you've just not got a whole lot of drills. So let's see about this one. Oh yeah. Ooh, I like the way these green drills look in this. But look at how well that lined up. And then it goes to right here to where this whole end right here is, you know, there's nothing there. So these just slide down. And you just slide them right back down in your tray, or in your container. Very nice. Yeah, I like these. I love this color. Very pretty. Very pretty. And then, you know, them giving you 2 different stoppers, which is cool, because if you lose one, you've got an extra, but you've got 2 to choose from. And those, the lids just slide right on there, no problems. Okay, so this one is called, this one was a limited, and this one is Quantum Colors, and this is called Blue Ice, and I gave 15 for this one. And again, it comes with 2 different stoppers, but this one's really shiny. And it's very slick. So, yeah, those line up pretty good too. So, yeah. This is a couple of new companies, or I guess they're new. I don't know. I've never heard of them before. So, this is worth checking out, y'all. You know, it really is, because they're not that expensive. And, you know, they run about the same price as everybody else's. They have different colors. They have different different shapes and stuff to choose from. But yeah, this one, a drill stuck on my finger. I don't know if they still have this color because it, like I said, it was limited. But I really like these. And that, the lids just slide right on there. No complications at all whatsoever. So, yeah. So this one, like I said, this one was from, what did I say? Crafty Creations by Ellie. Okay. And there's her card. And then this one was CatProof. Let me see. What was this one called? What did I do with the info? This one was called CatProof Diamond Trays. So, I again will put a link to both shops in my description box. And y'all, I am so happy with these. These are so nice. Really, really nice. So, alright. Give me a comment, y'all. Let me know. Have y'all heard of these two companies? I actually do have another shop that I bought some trays from. I'm just waiting to get it. Because it said it would take 2 to 3 weeks possibly to receive your order. So I should be getting them in about another week maybe. So when I get it, I will do an unboxing of that company. And we'll look at those trays also. So, alright. Leave me a comment. Let me know if y'all have heard of these companies. If you have purchased from these companies. What do y'all think about their trays? And yeah. Y'all. I'm happy. So, alright. Until my next video, y'all. I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.